everyone, welcome to the Marcy Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your glass engraving business. Now, if you've just come across this video randomly on YouTube and you're unfamiliar with Marcy Sites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website for your small business. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website for our glass engraving business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles. It was designed with them in mind. Now I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, glass engraver. Let's go ahead and put that in over here. Awesome. I'm now going to select that option. Great. Now Marty Sites needs a few basic details about our glass engraving business so it can work its magic and create a one-page website for me. All it needs is a few details. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, Rochelle's Glass Engraving. Oops. I'm now going to go ahead and put in our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sites service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Awesome. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. Let's Marty Sites do its thing, and there you go. It's literally generated a one-page website for me in less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Great. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We pre-selected all the images as well. As you can see, they're very high quality and they are completely free to use. There's no licenses involved. They're royalty free. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website for your glass engraving business. Now, if you need to make a few amendments to the content that's pre-written, and maybe you want to change some of the images to your own that you've taken, you can do that. It's really simple. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web developer. You don't need to know coding. Gone are the days where you need to create a website that you need to know coding, not with this. So I'm going to work you through the process. I'm going to start my way from the top to the bottom and walk you through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how simple it is to use. I'm going to start from the top and click on update section over here. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address and click on show email on site. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number, and those are both displayed in the top right hand corner of my Marty Sites page, so customers can easily get in touch with me with their queries. The phone number is click to call as well. Let's go ahead and put in our address as well as our postal code. Now, the great thing about it with the address, when your customers click on it, that's if you have a physical location, that is, when you click on it, it will directly take you to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's go ahead and click on save and head over to update social links. Over here, I'm going to pop in Marty Sites Instagram and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the service is working for you. We'd love to hear your feedback. There's also an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. And you can see the icons displayed in the top right-hand corner next to your email address. Customers can easily click on them and be taken directly to your social media accounts to give you a follow and see what you're up to. Let's go ahead and click save and close and move along. I'm now going to click on update section over here and head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, you're in the startup process of your glass engraving business. That's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, if you have one, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my logo, my Marty Sites logo. And awesome, it's already uploaded. I'm now going to click on save, and my logo is now displayed in the top left-hand corner, replacing that text with my company name. And we can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs, but I'm going to make it slightly bigger. I'm happy with that sizing. Awesome. Let's move along. Let's click close. Okay, now perhaps the colors used throughout your Marty Sites page that have been pre-selected, you can see this royal blue. Perhaps it doesn't go with your branding at all. Maybe your business cards are a completely different color and the signage that you're using for advertising on social media, etc. So if you need to change the colors, you don't need to know color coding at all. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes available and just see which one works best for you and your business. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one out. I actually really like that one, but that one's really cool too. And that one's also great. It's very neutral. I'm actually going to go ahead and save that one. Awesome. Look at that. Now you can see it's used throughout my Mighty Sites page. Looks really awesome. Let's move along. Over here, again, as I said, pre-written content, pre-selected images, but if you need to amend it, super easy. Let me show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to head over to update image. If you have your own images of your projects, your glass engraving projects, go ahead and upload them here by clicking on browse. Otherwise, search through the free photo library. As I mentioned, they're all high quality, they're all free to use, but you do need to play around with the terms a little bit, I've noticed. So let's put glass and see what comes up. Play around with the terms. I have noticed that. Try different terms and just see what comes up and what works for you. So I'm going to try wedding glass. Let's see what comes up. Okay, awesome. So I like one of these. Actually, let me go ahead and look at the next page and just see what my options are. I really like this one over here, so I'm going to select that one. Let's go ahead and save it and let's check it out. That looks really great. Very happy with that. That's actually really stunning, especially with the lighting in the background. Very happy with that one. If you need to amend the content, click on update content, change the title, subtitle. Perhaps you don't want the button to say call us today. Perhaps you wanted to say view our specials, or your catalog or something like that. Let's check it out. We can link to various other places. So you can link to another part of your Mighty Sites page. The lead form at the bottom is a great option. I'm going to get you to that in just a second. Otherwise, you can link to another website. Perhaps you have like an Etsy page or something you want to link to. Go ahead and pop it in here. Actions, we can do click to call, directions, or click to email. Otherwise, you can upload a PDF file over here, probably with your latest specials or catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm just going to upload my Mighty menu. But this is my specials and my catalog for my glass engraving business. Let's click confirm. So when my customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to view my specials, my catalog, etc. Go ahead and close and move along. Now over here, again, pre-written content button, you can link to various other places. Go ahead and update section and change it to suit your needs. We've now made our way onto our about us section. Over here, put a little bit more details of how you got started in the industry. Do you offer a fast turnaround time? How long you've been in the business for? Who you cater to? Do you make custom glasses for special occasions, or is it only corporate? Put all the details here. Your customers would love to hear your story and how you got started on your journey. Over here, a spot for a high quality image. If you need to amend it, click on update section, but I think that one's really cool, so I'm going to leave it as is. Over here, again, another spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and choose one from the photo library, play around with those terms as I showed you, or select one of your own, upload one of your projects. Your customers would love to see your work. Onto the next section. Over here, we made our way onto the services section. I really love this images. It's really suitable, so I'm going to leave it as is. But over here, I put in a little bit more details of the services you offer. Maybe you offer a money-back guarantee, competitive pricing, fast turnaround time, been in the industry for 13 years. Go ahead and pop all the details in here and the services so people know a little bit more information of what you offer. Onto the next section. The last section is that form I mentioned previously. Now, over here, your customers can easily get in touch with you. All they need to do is put in their name, email address, and their phone number, their message, and click on send to submit it. A great question we're always getting asked is, when my customers fill in this form, where does this form go? How do I know someone's filled it in? I have no clue. That is a great question. You will get notified via email when you get a lead via this form. You can also find the leads in your client dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a sec. Let's just take one last browse of our Marcy Sites page that we've just created for our glass engraving business. Really high quality images, content pre-written, everything looks absolutely professional and awesome. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and sign up. You've got nothing to lose. Give it a go. Just see how it works. You'll be amazed. I'm now going to head to the top and click on stop editing and head over to the site dashboard. Now, over here is where we can find the leads from that form that I've just shown you. And if you have a custom domain, go ahead and connect it over here. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on how to do that, as well as a blog post over at www.mindsites.com. Also, some great marketing tips for your small business. So there you have it. I've literally created a website for my glass engraving business in a couple minutes. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future, comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.